the trash. Here's a treat. Yeah, here you go. Okay, tell us about her.
Look at her. Sit down. Sit.
She had puppies, you said?
Yeah, over the annex. She had puppies. Sit down. Come here. Sit. Oh, she's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Very gentle.
What kind of dog is she?
Who knows?
She's a mutt?
Yeah, she's adorable. She's an adorable dog. Oh, she's searching.
She's a search dog.
Search dog. She's a hungry dog. Yeah, that's how you didn't eat your food in the kennels.
No, but this is my...
She kept her girlish figure, even though she had 3 puppies, I think. Her puppies were sent over to West LA. The mama was left here.
Oh, no.
And she's just adorable. She's just so cute, and she's so friendly.
And she has a good sense of smell.
Yeah. And she's hungry. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's cute. Oh, she's so sweet. Yeah, this is sweet.
She's just checking things. Camera, food, person. Okay. Everything's here. Look at that tail. Oh, that's a metronome. No one can play the piano that fast.